Hi, today we're going to do American Samba once again. Today though we're going to do the Side Samba Walk. Get your dance shoes on, join me on the floor. Let's do American Samba. Hi, and welcome to Sunstrike Dancesport. My name is Jim Cole. Today we're going to continue with our American Samba, but today we're going to do what we call the Side Samba Walk. So we've seen it, we're going to put it together with our regular Samba Walk. So get your dance shoes, let's do this. Let's do our American Side Walk, or our Side Samba Walk, I should say. Okay, what we're going to do is we're in our promenade position. We'll do the gentleman's part first. So we're going to have our left foot free. We're going to do one basic of the Samba Walk. So we have 1, 2. As I'm bringing my right foot forward, instead of going back, I'm going to go to the side. 1, 2. Watch that again. So we're going to do one Samba Walk, regular. So we have 1, 2. Then we go to the side, 2. Once again, let's do it from the back side. We're in our promenade position. We have 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, for the leader's part, promenade position, we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent. All right, now we're going to do the follower's part. Also done in our promenade position, we're going to do one regular Samba Walk, and then we're going to do a side Samba Walk. So in promenade position, right foot is free. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Doing it from the back side. Right foot is free. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Okay. All right. So this is a nice combination to take the Samba Walk and then a side Samba Walk. Because we know that when we do the regular Samba Walk, we can progress on a direct path. But doing the side break, or that side Samba Walk, kind of breaks it up a little bit and gives it a little bit more character when it comes to our Samba Walks. So what are some of the ways in which we can make that easier? Well, it all has to do with where our center is. Just like with the Samba Walk, if you haven't seen the video on how to do a good Samba Walk, look at our previous video, the American Samba Walk, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come back to this one, and then you can take a look and put these two together. So what makes a good Samba Walk, or some of the characteristics of it is, or one of the difficulties with it, is that sliding action, or that slip. So as I'm doing my forward, 1, 2, as I step forward, you'll notice that I'm actually doing the same idea to the side, and you'll notice this right foot is also slipping. So we talked about taking our center and putting it over our standing leg. So as you'll notice, I'm bringing it over my left foot, and that makes it easy to slide back. And then as I go forward here and do the side, I bring the left foot to the side, and then I'm able to bring it over. And that allows us to be able to do that slip action. One of the things also I'd like to point out is that when we're in close hold, or I'm sorry, promenade position, to do this in a regular promenade could be a little bit claustrophobic. So what we could do is actually kind of alter the hold just slightly. So instead of being so close, what I do is I actually take it, my right hand onto the elbow of my follower. And that allows me to open out a little bit. Gives us some breathing room when we're doing that. So that's a nice little tip if you'd like to try that. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody here to demonstrate that with. So if you appreciated this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe, and please hit that little bell for notification. And that way, whenever Sunstrike has a new video, you're going to know about it right away. So thank you, and have a great day.